All right, screen printers, it's no secret that our industry is changing with the rise of DTF, the struggles to find business, and the rising costs. We're going to talk about 3 ways that we're being impacted by the changes in our industries. We're going to talk about how you can set your business up for success to prepare for these changes in this year and beyond. If you're new here, my name is Jesse, and for more than a decade, I've been involved in the screen print industry, starting off as a designer and then moving into production management and then running the day-to-day operations. And now I run my own print shop out of my home, and I'm bringing my knowledge and experience to you to help you do the same thing. So in this video, like I said, we're going to talk about the industry changes that are happening in the apparel decoration industry specifically, and how you can be prepared for those so that you can ensure that you're successful in 2025 and beyond. The first of those is the most obvious, and that's DTF. This has impacted our industry in so many ways. It's the buzzword of the year last year, and it's going to continue to be that. But rightfully so. It has a place in our industry, and DTF, unlike DTG, is a quality product. It has a market. It has more durability that DTG did not have. And it's comparable to screen printing in a lot of different ways. Now, the screen print purists are going to get upset with that. And yes, I will agree that screen print still reigns supreme in most situations. But there are a lot of shops that have turned towards DTF to not only bring in an additional influx of customers, but also because it serves their customer, their existing customer, more effectively than screen printing does. And honestly, that's okay. So I think the key here is that you determine whether your customer is better served with DTF or screen printing, and you also determine whether your current setup lends itself better to DTF or screen printing. It's okay to choose one or the other, but make sure that it serves your audience better. So the second thing that's changing is rising costs. These are continuing to happen. We're going to see these tariffs come in for imported goods, and I think these are going to continue to impact our costs of goods sold that we have as apparel decorators, whether it's the raw garment or the inks and supplies that we need to operate our business and create the end product. So what that means is you need to be prepared for those rising costs. That doesn't always mean rising prices for you. Maybe it does mean that you need to re-examine your price strategy, re-examine how you are establishing your prices, how you're pricing each job to determine whether you're profitable or not. But it means that we need to keep better track of that. We need to become more efficient in our processes. We need to look at better equipment, better systems, get more support. And perhaps it might mean you need to outsource some things so that you lower your costs and you lower your time to actually produce items because you get those items outsourced and produced elsewhere. So that's the second thing. All right, I want to take a break from this conversation just for a couple of things. First of all, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll do that. Be sure you like and subscribe after this video. Second thing is I want to invite you to an opportunity. So if you're starting out in screen printing, whether you've had a business for a while, but you haven't really figured out how to grow that business, or you're just getting started and you want to lay the right foundation for your business, I want to teach you how to be profitable. I want to give you my systems on how to be successful in business and specifically in screen printing business. I want to invite you to the Print for Profit Challenge. Over 3 days, me and a special guest, we're going to lead you through everything you need to know to ensure profitability in your business. We're going to teach you how to operate your business, how to set systems in place, and how to establish a vision that helps you build the right business for you. So join us in the upcoming challenge. The link is in the description. Go ahead and find information at that link and join the challenge. You'll also see who the special guest is. I'm not going to tell you, you got to go to the link to find that out, but I hope to see you there. The third area that I think we need to be aware of that's changing in our industry is just that we are focusing on more specific audiences. I see more and more screen printers that are talking about right now this time of year saying, well, orders are down and they're low and we don't know why, and how do we get orders? And I truly think the answer to that is really honing in on a specific audience. For far too long, the screen print industry, the apparel decoration industry has attempted to serve the market masses. We've attempted to serve everyone who needs decorated apparel. And I think we're going to find more and more shops that are honing in on specific, whether it be 2, 3, or 4 really, really narrow niches that focus in on those niches and really determine how they best serve them, because then you're going to be better at communicating with that niche. You're going to be able to manipulate your product offerings to better serve their problems and better provide solutions for them. And it's going to help you make these decisions like pricing and like whether you offer DTF, because you're going to be very aware of what your niche needs. It's going to position you as the expert for that niche, not just a screen printer. Because at the end of the day, our customers do business with us, not because we're good at what we do. They assume we're good at what we do because we're in business doing it. And that the same is true for them. But they're going to do business with us because they believe we provide a solution to the problem that they have. And if we continue to position ourselves as the market masses, we're going to be competing on price, and it's going to be a downward spiral and a race to the bottom. But if we position ourselves as an expert for a niche, an expert for an industry, not an expert in our industry, then we're going to be able to make better offers. We're going to be able to charge more money. We're going to be able to position ourselves to be more profitable in spite of the rising costs, because we're not focused as much on our success, our perfection, or our industry itself. We're focused on how do we provide the most quality solutions for our customers and what's the value of that solution to them, and let that determine the price. So let's recap. DTF is here to stay. It's only going to get better, and it's going to make a bigger impact. So take the time to determine whether it's right for you and what place it has in your shop, if at all. Costs are going to continue to go up. So let's be sure that we are confident in our pricing strategy, and that we are confident that we're looking at the right metrics to determine whether we're profitable, so that we can be prepared for costs to continue to rise, and we can find efficiencies in our systems and the ways we operate our business, so that we can accommodate the rising costs while we cut down expenses in other areas. And then finally, look for opportunities to narrow your focus onto specific niche markets. Get really good at solving their problems, learning how to communicate with them specifically, creating offers that serve them at a high level, so that you're not competing on price and trying to market to the masses and scream, "Somebody please buy my stuff," because you're going to find way more success as a niche market server than you will to try and serve the masses. So those are my predictions for 2025. I think you focus on those three key areas and you really hone in on your strategies to accommodate those changes in the industry. And I think 2025 is going to be a great year for you. So if I can help you do any of that, reach out, let me know. I'm here to help. I would love to know what you think is coming with the industry in 2025. Any other ideas that you think are going to impact our industry, I want to hear it. So that's it for today. I look forward to bringing more to you. I hope to catch you in the next video. Please be sure you like and subscribe. Look for the ways to join me in upcoming challenges or at the Print Crew, or ways that you can give to the channel via Patreon or buy me a coffee. So until the next video, I hope you have a great day. We'll see you then.